Harvesting eggs from the chicken coop is always a delightful moment. As the morning sun filters through the trees, you can hear the soft clucking of the hens, content in their cozy nests. Reaching into the nest boxes, you find the warm, freshly laid eggs, each one a small treasure from your flock. The feeling of collecting these eggs, knowing they are the result of your care and effort, fills you with a sense of pride and connection to nature. It's a simple yet fulfilling experience, bringing the farm to life in the most beautiful way.